Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. Good morning. We here. What up, son of Wall Street? Tony Gold. Let's take a look and see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a pretty decent pump up. 7 o'clock this morning. Not sure what that's from. I mean, what? 190 points pump up in 20 minutes? A little bit of an insane move, I'd say. Let's find that midnight candle. 031.25. Mark it out. What up, Tris? Good morning. Need a drop. Yeah, we got kind of a wild looking stuff going on today. Some wild looking stuff, that's for sure. Get a couple of things pulled up. John, gold was good, actually. What up, Tucson kid, Deshaun? How's it going? Gold was actually good. I did not take any losses last night in gold. One thing that I have been paying more attention to, John, is hourly swings on gold. You go back and look at the reactions kind of off these hourly swings, right? We go back and just look at the reactions off the ones that are the most obvious. So, for example, this one, gold sweeps it. What happens? Rips, right? This one, gold sweeps it. Rips, right? This one here, gold sweeps it. Rips, right back up. Boop, 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 boop. So I've been kind of paying attention to that lately, the sweeps of the hourly swings. Obviously, you're not going to get the opportunities on those, but weren't we just doing this a few minutes ago? Yeah. I did hold this trade, guys. As you guys know, I was long from here last night. I was long from there. I held through this pullback and took it back up. And what did I tell you guys? I thought I called this on the stream last night. I said, if we sweep this swing down here, I think we probably go back and make new highs. You can see the overnight high was there. Yeah, was there. And what did we do? We swept right back up, $60. Again, what did we sweep and get their negative reaction off of here? Hourly swing. Hourly swing. Pushed back above the hourly swing and then pulled back into the range. So that is something that I've been paying attention to. Maybe something I might implement here in New York. And how I would play this, I don't know any kind of stats on it right now. But obviously you just let it wick through, drop your order, play the back door, that sort of deal. But we'll see. Oh man, the opening range is 43 points. I was hoping it'd be a little less than that. So it's a 21 point stop. It's not horrible. It's not horrible, but it's a little more than I really like it to be. So 21.5 point stop, which would be 86 ticks, I believe. 86 ticks. All right. A little more than I like it to be, but we'll take it. Hoping today that we can get a winner on the orb play. If we get a winner today on the orb, guys, we will be at payout on Apex on 2 accounts. Obviously, if we lose, we'll be going backwards a little bit. So, here's what it is. We'll see what happens. Any news today? We do have Michigan inflation expectations at 10 a.m. That's really it. That's not red folder, but it is there. Yeah. Not quite sure what I want to do here. What up, Jay Styles? Maybe the orb will stay in the range today. I don't know. It's got that look in its eye like it may not want to. Sure would be nice if it did. Let me see here. Whoops. What am I missing here? Okay, there it is. So where's that at? All right. Okay. Morning, Trader 007. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. This Patrick Whelan stuff is so funny. He has me laughing. Like, it's so funny when he comes after you. It's insane. It's so funny. What up, Clarity? A smooth Friday would be nice. I'd like to have just a smooth opening range. That'd be good. A smooth opening range would be good enough. Dun, dun, dun. He's not talking about me, Room. It's just funny once he comes after people how like he's just not. He's like he doesn't let up, right? He doesn't let up. Good morning, Anna. How's it going? Not much going on right now, guys. We're just waiting to see. I would like price to open up inside the range, obviously. What time is it? Got about 10 minutes here. I don't know if it's going to. We'll see. We shall see. Are the giveaways over? No, of course not. Giveaways aren't over. I'm just I need to, we got to get to 10K. We got to bank some subscribers and then we can do some giveaways. Clarity, the car's good. We got back home and all good there. So that's the main thing, right? Oh, I need to disconnect my connection here, reconnect. Let me do that right quick before we get too deep into the stream here. So again, guys, if we hit the pre-orb today, we'll be at payout on 2 accounts on Apex. This account will be at max payout $2,000, and this account will be at payout for $500 if we hit. This one actually needs 26.6. This one needs 406. So what is that? I guess I need to update that. That needs to be like 42, probably like 41 ticks. 41 ticks, maybe even 42. Probably just go 42 just to be sure. Hopefully that doesn't cost us. All right. Robin House, John, what up? The issue? No, I don't know. I have no idea. Something about dirty throttle body, something along those lines. I have no idea. Let's see. All right, got everything set up here. We're ready to go. Just gonna be waiting for the market to open. I mean, overnight move pretty big. New all-time highs. Kind of crazy. I think that's new, right? Yeah, it should be. $381 to the upside here. Let's see here. Oh, goodness. I don't know. What up, Mad Moxie? Good morning, Miss K. Papa Tony in the house. All right. Morning, Francis. You caught none of it? That's all right. There's gonna be moves tomorrow, today, tonight, whatever, today. I am a little tempted to just, man, I don't know. I am kind of tempted to just take the long up here, to be honest. I don't know, man. What do we get it open? Do we pull back? I really don't know what to expect it open. Yesterday wasn't too bad. Yeah, I didn't mind it. Whatever room. You're in short. Just be careful, room. We left equal highs up here on the NQ. We left equal highs right here at this high. 678 or 66.75 equal highs up here. It was a little tricky because like that's right at the top of the orb. I don't love it. It's Friday, Weasley dump. I don't know, man. Uh-oh, Matty Matt. The $69 PA fee is calling his name. Selling so they can buy Spaceballs IPO? Maybe. Dude, like, these triple equal highs up here are going to get taken fast. The question is it going to blast through there? Is it just going to take them and then turn back down? I don't know. $69 activation fee for Apex. They got a lifetime activation fee, $69 special going on right now. Man, I don't know what to do here. I'm trying to take this trade without a bias, but man, those triple equal highs up there are just so crazy looking. I mean, I almost think I could just take the long at like 50. 54. It's for the 50K room as far as I know. 25 and 50. I don't know if it's higher than that. I really don't love the short here. I don't love the short at all. I almost don't even want to participate in the short. I think that's end of day. I think. Trev, I've been looking at the sweep on gold. Same kind of hourly sweep that you're talking about, but on gold. It looks pretty good on gold, too. Man, I really like the long here. I don't love the short. Oh, come on, man. Don't do me like that. The thing is, like, do I really want to be getting long after it sweeps triple equal highs? I don't know, man. This is going to be kind of a crazy play. All right, let me get up here because I don't know how I'm going to do this. Vacation land in Mars. I don't know what to do here, guys. I guess I'm going to play it like normal. That's really about the only thing to do, right? Morning, Raul. I mean, a part of me wants to put this down here and take it through the 67. I don't really like the short here at all, but play it mechanically. Wayne, good morning. I don't know if you did. Where's Husk? He's streaming. Yeah, he got 10 to the downside, but no trade yet. Sweep of 130s potentially. I'm going to take the short off here. And I might enter, may play this a little differently. Just trying to get the 10 points. We'll see. ES still pushing down here. Nasdaq's trying to push up. ES finally hitting a level of support. Nvidia's popping. Balls are trying to hold on. Bulls. See if this thing can go. I don't know, man. I don't know how to play this. I'm not sure. I just wiped out your bull nuts master. That sucks. Yeah, it could go either way. Yeah. What we got here? New 5-minute candle. Still being a little tricky here. That all right. I'm just kind of waiting here, guys. I'm looking for the 10 points, but obviously the open range is kind of burnt already. So I might play it a little different. Yeah, it's chopping Trev for sure. Obviously the short would have paid there, but I didn't take it. EMA's pointing down here still. I think I'm about to drop this order. All right, we're in. Needed to squeeze. Stops in. Go. Come on, man. Come on, man. What up, happy kids? Oh, green, let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to get a payout here, but I don't want to also, do anything stupid. Man, so you didn't say much about ES. Need to sell, basically. Ten seconds. See how this closes. All right, I'm in again. Come on, get up there. Give me my payout. Let's go. Let's go. $2,500, guys. Let's go. Whew. I'll add in here on any pullbacks. We have equal highs up here, guys, if you're wondering. That's kind of what we're thinking out loud here. Little target. But yeah, I think we yeah, 54 237 max payout there. And then 26,652, so $552 payout there. So that was risky, guys. That was risky. I'm not gonna lie, but that was risky. I'm gonna add a second one here. I'm gonna look for a run up to here, like 308s. I'll go stop to break even through the 268. There. What up, Alexi? 3K payout, lock with Tradeify. Let's go, Francis. That's awesome. Could really go break even through 257, to be honest, if we wanted to be safe. If we wanted to be safe, that could be might get stopped out if you do that, but that would make sense. Through this equal highs here, I think it rips, but let's see if it goes. Let's see if this thing can squeeze. Yes, right there, 71.60. I'll check and see. Pretty sure Mancini, the 96 was the line in the sand for the bull bear per Mancini, so like we're nowhere near that. Could go break even here. He basically said we got a 100-point long yesterday. Textbook failed breakdown of the Sunday, Tuesday, 85 shelf. Swept it, trapped the bears, won 100 points. Now nothing to do. Wait for next trap. 61 first support down. We're back at 61 now. ES holding up there at the 61. ES holding up at the 61 there. Little pullback. Probably next shove. ES should squeeze through this next level on this next push, I think. What up, son of Wall Street? Just waiting. We're in this long here, looking for it to push up, but it's not doing it. Might push down here. Trap. Leave that level for later, which would be a little crazy. I wouldn't think that that would be what it does, but I could be wrong. Bring this 1 minute back up here. Let's take a look at this. Keep this over here so I can see the 1 minute as well. Well, I may dig myself a hole here. Let's see, though. This would be A plus if this if we get another inversion back to the upside here. See how the 1 minute closes, and then if we can get a 1 minute push back up, close back above like 235. Room, I'm long. Why you want it to dump? All right, here we go. I'll add to this if we get a V shape back up here. I'll add to this if we get V shape back up. We'll see if it wants to go. I don't know. Good move here. What do we got? 15 seconds on this 1 minute. I want to see it close above. Close above 236.50. 5 seconds. I have to wait for the 1 minute to close here before I add. We do have 10 a.m. news. It is 2 stars. Nothing crazy, but it could move the market. Long looking promising. Maybe we got to get it squeezed up here. I don't mind adding if the frickin' 1 minute can get up there. Watching the 1 minute here. So far, not doing it. Three seconds on the 1 minute, still no close. You flip long room. Uh-oh. Is that a good sign or a bad sign for B room? Probably. Is it a good sign? All right, we'll take it as a good sign. Let's long together. I don't like how it's holding up here. I really don't. I could just kill this and re-enter. The smart move might be to kill it and just re-enter. But we'll wait. I feel like it has to do it on this candle. It needs to squeeze on this candle here. This one or the next one. Okay, here we go. Pass your PPAs, your PAs. All right, let's see here. Now the 1 minute has 20 seconds to close here. I'm gonna wait on the 1 minute close. I might add. Hmm. 1 minute did not close. Dirty close on the 1 minute. Just kind of watching it here. I could just take this off and then, I don't know, do I do that? Do I take it off and then re-enter? I know it's going to go here. I know it's going to. I just don't know how it's going to get there. That's kind of the problem. I don't know how it's going to get there. If ES gets above 61 here, we probably squeeze 60, 61 area. All right, 1 minute finally closed above here. It should go now. I'm going to add one more now. Just go for 10 points. And now I'm going to go break even at this high here. Mm. Kind of thought it might go there. Yes, hit the 60 level and pull back again. Damn, 50% of that pre-orb's just holding like a brick wall. Holding like a brick wall. Glad I got out of that ad. Glad I got out of the ad there. Really, really choppy, guys. Well, let's see what happens. Really, really choppy here, guys. I like this spot for a long, too. Like, if you were interested in taking a long, 5 minute looks kind of like pretty good here for a long. You got out green. Let's go, clarity. Yeah, we're kind of ranging here. I do like, I mean, if you're looking to get long, down here is a good area. 2K? Yeah, of course, Weeks. Come on, man. I'm up 457 and I'm calling it. I'm going to add one here. And I'm going to take it for just 10 points. I know the average. I'm just looking. I'm not worried about where the average is. Woo, yes, now losing the 51. Yes, pushing now 149s. Morning Sovereignty. Oh man, I guess I should consider just getting out of this. $9.50. Yeah. All right, we got 10 a.m. news coming up in 4 minutes. So let's see what happens. What about trades? Could have stuck with your plan. You know, your room. Always stick with the plan. It's the plan. I'm still at a spot where I can just get out. Could still just take this off and be okay. Could kill it here and still be down a couple hundred. A little push up here. Top of the hour coming up, minute and a half, 2 minutes here. Longs around 80 to 100. Yeah. Could take this off here and just lick my wounds and be down 150, but ES is getting the squeeze on as well. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take one off there, just reduce risk. Reduce risk. So even if we hit profit on this, not really going to make any money on it unless we add into it, which we might. I think it's going here. I just don't know how it gets there. And that's the problem with like having confidence in a level. Like sometimes, you know, it it kind of gets your judgment off. Yeah, you can. You can trade news. Be 80 points, 160. Yeah, we'd be down even if it hits the target. 20 bucks, 30 bucks. It's going to rock. We'll see. It's going to rock. All right, here we go, guys. News. I think I'll add here on a pushback above 90. Might go like 3 or 4 micros more adding on a pushback above 90, but doesn't look like it's going to do it right now. Shorting 220. Yeah, it's not a bad area. 225 pre-orb low. ES is approaching the lows again. Approaching the lows. There we go. ES back above 53. 183, 231. Let's go. NVIDIA pushing. Nice little squeeze there. Down 117 now. Sweet work perfectly. It looks like it, huh? So what was that, like the 7 a.m. sweep low? Passive value 1 from a giveaway yesterday. Let's go, Elite. Awesome. Called the 220. Did you take it? Good job, Room. Good job. I gotta check something. I think I might kill this, guys. Let's see. Next step is payout. Let's go. Thinking about killing this. I'm kind of watching here. See what we get. Watching the ES here pretty closely. Yeah, it could be Potan. No giveaway today, Wesley, unless we get to 10K, which I don't see happening, but I'm going to eat that down 169. Oh, 156 was your hour level. Let's go. All right, let me get this other stuff up here. If I decide to enter, I'm not going to hold. I'm just going to take scalps if we re-enter. We'll just take scalpers. Actually, kind of like a scalp here. I'm going to try it. All right, little scalp there. Back to negative 118. What up, Takamura? Long time no see. All right, let me see here. Let's go here. Yep, there work. Got to check something out over here. Good. Okay. H. X. Starting to squeeze here. I still think it's going up, but honestly just kind of got sick of chasing it, you know, trying to hold on to it. All right. Okay. Stop trading prop firms, focusing on personal accounts. I like it. I'm thinking about opening me a personal account too. I talked about that kind of beginning of the year. I'm thinking about giving that a go. Doing a little challenge or something on a personal account. Life's good though. Life's good. 40 minutes, same range. Yeah, for sure. It's not going anywhere, is it? Yeah, I have Ninja weeks. I'm going to do this with one micro. Oh, you do stock options and futures? Got you. After it got me out, took my money, then it's going to go to the spot. That's how it works, right? Typical. That'd be typical. That's okay, though. I kind of gave up on the level. I don't know. It's one of those things where it's like, you know, it could easily have dumped. I mean, who knows? You just, it still could. Still could. Had a little bit of a short-term trend line here. Breaks the trend line here. I could add. Made me realize how much of a gambler I became. Yeah, for sure. Personal definitely holds you a little more accountable, that's for sure, when the money's real. Not that you get what I mean. Nvidia's dog walking. Is it just kind of grinding higher? Yeah, ES definitely weaker. I do think if it can retest 61, it probably gives us what we need. Might add on the pop of the trend line here. I don't know if I'll have time, but it should pop through there very fast if it gets kind of above 240, 250 area. Oh, it's pushing, then pull and put in pullbacks. Gotcha. Kind of makes sense, huh? We're in a range over here, too. Pop to 250s here. I'm going to add pretty quickly. I expect this just to go. And if it rejects one more time, that would, yeah, it's not be a good sign. Want to see a really big bullish close here would be nice. That's funny. Still didn't run it. Did it run it on NQ? I don't think it did. Oh, it did. All right, I'm out of it. It ran it on NQ, guys. It did not run it on MNQ, but it ran it on NQ. So did we make money after all that shenanigans back and forth? Yes. That was worth $5.70, guys. Oh, goodness. Yeah, we did sweep the 130s. You were correct there, Trev. Oh, so the NQ ran it, MNQ did not. All right, trade for keeps. Good morning. Yeah, we had a good week. We had a good week. We did blow some accounts, but, you know, it's a part of the game. Might be a good spot to short now because that is the, well, yeah, that's the 9 a.m. candle as well. Let's try it. What could go wrong? Boom. Quick $40. All right, let's lock in our payouts from Apex here. $2,500. We'll have to request those tonight. You can buy with this amount a peel stress that you had from that trade. Yeah. Barely. The thing is, like, I know where it's going. It's just like it's just yanking me around. Didn't want to go there. So annoying. And I had conviction at first, and then like the lower that it got, the less my conviction kind of went away. I was like, I don't know. I mean, I'm on an eval, so there was really no reason not to hold it there. I mean, if we hold that, we're probably up a couple $100. But I have an eval that's gonna expire on May 4th. What's today's date? So I got like a week and a half to pass that. Copy trade's a pain. Listen, you know how I feel about it. I mean, like it's good when it works, but when it don't work, no bueno. No bueno when it don't work. How should we do this? I'll just go for 10 points at a time. I want to target lower here, but I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna stay safe here. I'm just gonna go 10 points at a time. Kind of. There we go. Now I'm gonna go stop the break even. See if we can get that push lower. Second run into these levels, so I would expect it to just go down to get through there. Nope. Max agrees. Oh, thank you, Weeks. I do the best I can. Doesn't always end up that way. Into the futures. What up? Maybe 10 points is the way to go. I don't know. We're up $60 now. I'm happy to lock in a payout. Happy to get the payout. No trades for iTrades. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Funny thing is, like, ES is now kind of getting a little bit of momentum here. Looking like I might want to go. A bit of a muted open for sure. Yeah. Yeah, weeks. I don't even pay attention to Top Step that much anymore, but yeah. We got a 380 point move overnight. We are at 135 point range right now. Every time we keep pushing up into this range, we keep getting rejected, so I'm just going to keep shorting it. I do think I'm going to take my 10 points this time, though. There we go. Up $97. Make you holla. Talking more, you're probably not wrong. You're probably not wrong there. You're probably very right. They're done here soon with the fact that it was top 5 in their leaderboard for so long. Yeah. I don't know if they're done. We'll see. Trevor keeps not loving it. That will buy a few Baconators for sure. Get you over there at Wendy's. Get you some Baconators. Little Baconators. Nothing wrong with a little Baconator. Baconator's actually really good. It's one of my favorite burgers from Wendy's. Nothing. I mean, the Dave's Double's pretty solid too. So, yeah, I just feel like we're keeping on the 5 minute here. If we're looking, that's kind of what I'm watching. We'll just keep rejecting this kind of area here, right? Until we kind of get a strong candle close above there. You just keep selling it. Maybe it might be reaching its limit at this point. It's already what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles into it. Takes you a half hour to get to a Wendy's. Oh man, it takes me about 20 minutes, happy kids. I'm very rural as well. I live 20 minutes from everything. The only thing that is within 3 or 4 minutes is a Hardee's and a Burger King. We have a Golden Pantry. We have a Mexican restaurant, a pizza restaurant, kind of like a mom and pop kitchen. That's not bad. We got 3 Mexican restaurants, I think. But if I want to go to Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Zaxby's, Wendy's, McDonald's, any of those, 21 minutes away. I cannot even get delivery here. Actually, I think you can get delivery here now from like DoorDash. The reason I don't do it is because like I used to DoorDash on the side, and I know that a DoorDash driver needs to make $2 a mile, right? That's what I would want to make. So if I am trying to have someone to deliver to my residence, that means for me to feel comfortable to have them come all the way out here, I need to tip $40 to give them $2 a mile. That's just the way I feel. So for that reason, for $40, I pick it up myself. So for $40, we pick it up ourselves. I'm not going to have somebody drive, 15 miles in this direction, 15 miles in that direction, and then give them a crappy tip. I'm not going to do that. Or they can't make money. You're getting hungry. I did have Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Kind of a little bit of a bull flag look here, right? Little bull flag look on the 2 minute. Live off grid. Yeah. I don't know that I could do the off grid thing. I respect people who do that. I don't know that I could do it. So, and also, what did I do this morning on the pre-orb, guys? Look how this is one of the things that gets in my head, right? I marry my long bias, and I'm like, all right, I don't like the short, even though I know this is, this is back tested, and I know what the win rate is. Well, what does it do? I mean, 9:30 we open up outside the range. This is the candle we opened up outside the range on. We wicked right back up into the range right here at open and ripped, you know, 32 points down. Then we pushed back up into the middle of the range again and then pushed back down another 25 points, 27 points. Like, I don't know why I'm making this trade harder than it needs to be, right? It ended up winning, but I would have looked back on that had it lost and been like, why did I not just stick to the plan? Kind of like what Room said earlier. Why not just stick to the plan there? Even though you're bullish, we know mechanically this trade gives 10 points on both sides almost every time. Very high, like probably 85, 90% of the time it gives 10 points. So, I don't know. It's just one of those things where it's like you go against what you're kind of thinking there. So, I'll open up the other accounts right quick, show you guys what we did overnight. I did hold that trade overnight on the gold. I did not sell it. And we held it. So that's what we did overnight. Not much, right? Not much. This is the one that we were in when we ended stream. We ended up making $223 on that gold trade. Break even on that account, 95. These are the Apex counts for the opening range trade from this morning. 95, 93, 190. So I did not copy trade last night. I had to reload my Tradeifys because I did blow the Tradeifys 2 days ago on a gold trade. Obviously, I went one mini on these and I looked for 2 points. And unfortunately, it only paid 1.7 before blowing those accounts. So if I went 1 point, like I have been doing, it would have been no issue. Then on one of the take profit accounts, this one that I had at daily payout level took a $1,500 loss right there. You can see we're up 730 on that account overall. But this was at daily payout level. So now I got to try to squeeze that back to the daily payout level. At least I did not blow it. So, James, how many trades I take in a day? On the fund, it's 1 to 3 probably. I'm using Replicanto to copy trade, Potent. Replicanto. But last night I decided not to copy trade. I don't know. Obviously, it would have been a good night to copy trade, but I'm pitching, I'm kind of bouncing around the idea of rotating accounts. Kind of what I'm thinking. A little rotating the accounts idea. But yeah, I like Replicanto for the copy trader. What I did was I did something very dangerous while I was gone. I left my computer on and I had set up 3 or 4 different copy traders. So I had 3 or 4 different groups. And I did that to kind of mitigate the risk. So I used my lead account as Take Profit Trader remotely. And so I traded from Tradeivate on Take Profit Trader. And whenever I would enter a trade on the lead account, it would copy across the followers at my home PC. A little dangerous to do that, but that's what I did. And did end up blowing one bank of 5 accounts and one Bulenox account did get blown as well. So, and that Take Profit Trader daily payout account, of course, took a $1,500 hit. So, yeah. A little frustrating, but it's all right. We take what we can take, and had to reset some accounts there. It is what it is. Had to start over. You guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Appreciate you. Break of 90 here. I'm tempted to take a little short. Tempted to. I might give it a quick try here. Look for 10 points. I thought for a second that might have been Quantower doing Quantower things, but nope, it didn't hit it. It did not hit it. Now it did. Back to middle of the range here. Up $135 now. Nothing crazy. Do we sweep the 130 again, or do you think we hammer down? I think we go down, Trev, personally. I think ES wants to kind of retest maybe that 7,100 level ultimately, maybe today. So that's kind of the feeling I have. Could be wrong. Could be completely wrong. That would put us kind of like... This wick down here is interesting at like 27,063. If I just kind of stand back from the charts, that wick's pretty obvious, right? That's pretty obvious. We have the midnight open candle down here, 27,031. We have the new day opening gap down here, 990. Previous day close, 940. But maybe can start looking for longs down in this area. Potentially. Dangerous, I feel like, to look for longs up here. Because here's the thing. We ran the triple equal highs. And then after we run those, we get a very bearish reaction. So I'm kind of thinking that we just push down. I think we get back below 130 here, and it just goes down. Kind of interesting here too. I mean, I'm curious if the initial balance trade would have stopped out. I don't think it would have. Your stop would have been, it would have came one tick from your take profit or from your stop loss. 50. Yeah, it would have came 2 ticks from your stop loss. It would have got stopped out on NQ. We're in a descending channel, about 50% below a little bit. Yes. Yes. We're right there at the 50%. I don't know. It's, if you're not already short, it's tricky to short here. But it's tricky to short. All right, I got to make a new, let me do something right quick. Nice little bounce here. I think you just kind of start shorting every pop if you wanted to, but I don't know. A little tricky. Yeah, this is a bad range. At least Kellyanne likes me. I don't know. Does she, Happy Kid? You see her tweet? I'm over here responding to her tweet right now. I was about to, I said, rude. Good morning. TPT payout process. Use Wise USA account info and how long will we see the account in the bank? Um, Probably like it depends. Like during the day, probably like 3 or 4 hours. Oh, after you submit it, so you got to submit for the payout from your wallet. I mean, it's actually immediate into your bank account from the wallet once it's approved. So let's go, Rob. You were saying that the prop that you mentioned reminds me of a coconut. But which one are you talking about? Who are you talking about, Trev? I don't know. Wow, look at the squeeze up, guys. Wow. Oh, top step. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Hmm. Good short here. I mean, like, this is a good spot to take a short, guys. I might try it. I might try it. We're going to try it here. Let me add one time. I'll add one time at like 250. I don't really care. I don't want us to get up there, but I'll add there if need to. I might try it. Equals, I will absolutely try it. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough assessment. Stop to break even. I think I could go break even below 230 here if I really wanted to. Below 230, it should kind of just hit my target. Should just hit my target. This is kind of a dangerous trade. I mean, we're fading a big dildo candle here. Again, below 230, I think it's safe to put the stop into break even here. Nvidia had a huge breakout. Yeah. Yeah, it does weeks. It looks that way. I agree. That's why I said it's a bit of a risky trade, but I don't hate it just based off what the market's done today. All right, should just hit it here. I got stopped out. I went break even there. I was looking for just 230, 225 retest. Didn't quite get it. Still might look to re-enter a little higher. We'll see. Locked out. Let's go. Nothing wrong with that. I still might try the 250 short. Really? Really? Oh, I don't think it hit the target. Maybe it did. Actually, it looks like it might have hit the target. It might have. Dun, 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 dun. Again, kind of a risky short here, but we're going to give it a shot. I'd probably normally be longing in these areas, like we'll see. We'll see. He is kind of at a key level here, so we get a little rejection. Gave me a chance. He gave me an opportunity to just get out right there. Sweep of initial balance here. Clean push above. There we go. Out of it there. Up 175. That hourly swing got swept again there, Treff. That 9 o'clock hourly swing. Initial balance as well. She got swept. Pulled back into the range. I gotta pay my power bill, guys. I keep forgetting. Let's go ahead and do it when we're thinking about it. Or a B break gave 10. Yeah, I guess it did. Pay the power bill. These headphones are not nearly as comfortable as the ones I normally wear. Guys, I'm going to run to the restroom right quick. All right, we're back. We're back. All right. Back up there at the initial balance. Man, we're in such a really tight range here. Not much to do here, guys. We're just kind of waiting. Sovereignty, did I get your email? I don't know. NVIDIA is at new daily high. Bu1 Bulanox eval. Sovereignty, let me see. When did you send me an email? Let me see. Oh, is this you? Sovereignty, are you Darren? I think that's you. Yeah, I mean, we could do that if you want to. It's up to you. Is it a code or how does it work with them? That Bulanox eval, you didn't like it anyway, Wayne. Oh, it's a code. Yeah, that's cool. When did they put a limit on how long you have to pay for a past account? There's been a limit always, weeks, but if the invoice expires, if you just request a new one, they'll send you a new one. Request a new invoice, they'll send you a new one. Wayne, yeah. Um, hmm. Yeah, you can just request a new invoice. Uh, I kind of want to try the short one more time, guys. I kind of want to try the short one more time. There we go. Up 194 now. Out just in time. Just in time. Here's the thing. If we close above over here on the 5-minute, guys, we're going to go to 312, most likely. Need the 5-minute to close above kind of 285 there. All right, Sovereignty, appreciate you. So, guys, we'll do a giveaway courtesy of Sovereignty in the chat, who some of you guys said was a bot. Remember when he won back-to-back giveaways? Remember when you guys said Sovereignty was a bot? Sovereignty, do you remember that? They said you were a bot. So courtesy of Sovereignty, it will be a earn to trade account. I don't know what size, but an earn to trade account. Earn to trade is legit. I do like earn to trade. They just only allow one account, I think. So, leaks. So if you want to enter the giveaway for an earn to trade account, courtesy of Sovereignty, Exclamation point MM in the chat. Super rigged. Two minutes on this 5-minute candle. I'm going to wait for a little pullback here, and then I'll take this. How do we know he isn't being remotely controlled and still a bot? Well, he's giving away something free, so it's a 50K eval. There we go. If you're not familiar with Earn to Trade, they are very legit. They just are smaller prop firm. And I think they only allow one account, so they don't get the attention that some of the other bigger prop firms do get, but I do like them. I'm buying the top, guys. I'm buying the top. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't like this candle. Got to close above 285 here. Coper, how'd you do today? I need us to close above. Actually, we just need to close above 270 here. I'll be okay with that. Ideally, close above 285 would be nice, but above 270, good enough. Skynet. Getting chopped up. Green on the day. Bought one more email and getting chopped up again. And Coper. It's been tough price action today. I'm kind of lucky to be green myself, to be honest. I don't feel like I traded all that great, but we're here. Let's see how the candle closes here. Good close. 8 seconds. Oh, yeah, James. Cove Trader. I'm going to add here. I like that close of that candle. You know what, though? I should be taking profit 304. 304 really should be where I should be taking profit, but we should be able to get that push into 306. I would think. $267. Nice job. We get above 300 here. We should get a nice little pop. I really could go stop to break even here because it needs to just squeeze. $600 cons, 215. All right, through 300 here. See if it can go. Guess not. All right, back above this wick. I'm going to go break even, guys. Gotta go now. I'm just out. I give it a shot. I mean, I do think it's going to go, but Tom freed me. He did. He did. What up, P Long? Morning, Lucky Mon. It's going to go, but eh. Hmm. I just didn't display enough patience. Missed the move. Me too. Happy kids. I don't know. It's just so fascinating. It's so interesting. Interesting. I guess because I can't really join in on it, you know? All right, guys. Are you ready for the giveaway that Sovereignty has so graciously given us to give away? Trade Day 50K account. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Patrick Whelan, yeah, he is. NQ Bookmap has lots of orders on the 215 level. This could be a good short spot. I mean, it could be. But I do think we maybe clean up 312. You could short back to like 285 here. I could see it. Short 312. Yeah, that's also now really swing as well. Finding a lot of resistance here. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway now. See who's the winner going to be. Who's it going to be? Oil on the grind back up. Yeah. And the winner is. Let me see if Capital got in. Capital, I'll let you in right quick. Okay, there we go. Rocket Fuel K2W. Rocket Fuel, where you at? The market is on some rocket fuel right now. That's for sure. The rocket fuel. It did pull back and just balance that 5-minute gap there to the downside. I mean, I could take this. I could long here. Rocket Fuel, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Included in the email, please click on the top right-hand corner. Screenshot your YouTube channel showing me that you're logged in so I can prove it's you. We'll get you the code over. And everybody drop a W in the chat for Sovereignty for giving that account away. Giving us the account to give away there. Appreciate you. Guys, we will be over on My Funded TV at 11:30 to slap Husk around again. He kind of cheated yesterday. He traded the challenge account without me being there. He traded the challenge account while I was not there. That's against the rules, you know? It's against the rules. Rude. Rude. All right, I think we go now. I'm going to try it. Maybe I should have shorted. Maybe I should have scored. Clarity, I do the best I can. You've had it muted, nothing? What are we doing on the challenge accounts? I'm up $600, Papa, and Husk is reset, and he's still down $80. I'm not reset, and I'm up 600. He's reset, and he's still down 80. Such a garbage trader. Such a garbage trader. Gabbage. Nah, I'm just kidding. Trev says we're going to 360. I like it. I like it. I like it. I just need us to go to 311. Man, we're just buying the highs here. Sovereignty screen, let's go. Really, Huss did some craziness the other day. He went with 10 micros on a 25K account. I don't know what he was thinking. I don't know what he was thinking there. Now, I do craziness like that sometimes too, but not on that account. I've been known to hit the full port button every now and then. Yeah, Trev, we're going to be on there at 11:30. You got 20 minutes. We'll be there at 11:30. We're going to just get a flash candle right through this level, I think, eventually. What up, Alcy Faye? Good morning. Your brain's like, what time is it? Yeah, for sure. I think there's a 3-hour difference, right, Trev? He's getting nervous that you are leading. Nah, Clarity. Not really. Thanks, Rocket Fuel. I think he just he does have a problem with, like, he's like, hey man, you shouldn't be trading gold or whatever. He thinks that, like, that's some sort of advantage. And I'm trying to tell him, like, that's not an advantage. Gold or ES, it's not an advantage. There we are. All right, Rock, send over the code. Let's see. You could get a bearish reaction off 312. I don't know. We'll see. It finally went. It just took forever. It just took forever. Don't thank me. Thank sovereignty. He's the man with the plan. Yeah. Obviously, I like Hus too, Clarity. I like giving him a hard time. That's where your last target is, Trev. Let's go. I got to give him a hard time. If I don't do it, nobody will, you know? If I don't do it, no one will. So that trade put us over $200 on the day. Yeah. And here's the challenge account right here, guys. We're up $594 on it for the challenge account. Guys, it's really difficult trading only during 11:30 to 12:30. I mean, like, that is a real big challenge, you know? So, you like to pause Husk on YouTube and kiss his cheeks. Does he put his butt cheeks on the screen like that, Trev? I didn't know he put his butt cheeks up there like that. I know that's the only kind of cheeks you like to kiss. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Only in private chat. See? See? See what I mean? For sure, Clarity. For sure. This is tough. It's earned to trade 50K account. All right, guys, we're going to migrate over to My Funded TV. Here's the link. If you want to join us, we do appreciate it. If you want to help support the channel, you guys know 90% off Apex. Use code MYTH, MYTH. Every other prop firm, code MM. It's going to get you the best deal. 90% off Buell & Ox. As always, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. Who are we missing? Tradeify, Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, Lucid, Traders Launch. All code MM. If you want to help support the channel, we do appreciate you. So I'm going to go ahead and I got to take care of a couple of things. 50K TCP. That's what he's saying. Let's go, Putin. And we'll see you guys over on My Funded TV here in about 15. What time is it? Yeah, about 15 minutes. So we'll see you guys then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.